friends, welcome back to Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading That's Not My Elephant. Its ears are too rough. Wow, that's really rough. That's not my elephant. Its trunk is too leathery. What color is an elephant? Yes, it's gray. That's not my elephant. Its feet are too squashy. Can you point at your feet? That's not my elephant. Its toenails are too bumpy. That's not my elephant. Its tail is too tufty. Wow, that feels so nice. We found it. That's my elephant. Its tusks are so smooth. Thank you for reading this book with me. I hope you enjoyed this story. Make sure to come and check out my channel, Tiny Tales with Tia, for more such interesting That's Not My stories. Bye. See you next time.